so many buttons to push. Help me, Seymour. Feed me, Seymour. This is majestic. When I move to Montana, I'll get this. You can use magnets to decorate your walls. Let's do a DIY project using magnets. What I really wanted to look at is the wall decor. Just something abstract. Something a little non-specific, abstract. I do like the colors in this. This comes in a 2-piece set. That's kind of cool. And we might go with this. We might go with that. Oh, I found it. This is iconic. This is the best piece of bathroom art I've ever seen. I love it so much. I really kind of do want to just get this because it's funny. I'm creating my own magnet board, but you can find plenty of decorative options online. I'm just using a piece of patterned contact paper to add some texture and color to this board. Getting it started is the hardest part. Looks pretty good and level. Slowly remove the backing and squeegee it down. You can do the whole board, or I left a little whiteboard space for messages. Just cleaning up these edges. This is gonna be perfect for pictures, postcards, or even art. I wish I could project the smell that's in here. I haven't been to a world market in forever, and it smells amazing in here. I also found this wall art that I really liked, but I can't find a price. It's gonna determine if this is a yay or nay. Ooh, this is gonna be a nay for now. It was 99 bucks. I do like this abstract art too. World market, great, just not fitting in the budget yet, but we're gonna keep looking. I saw these paintings over here, really handsome man. I think I'm gonna pick one up. It was me, it was a joke. I was just talking about the mirror. The handsome person in the mirror is me. A little painter's tape as a guide to be level. Right on the line, and this thing is up and ready. Now you have a canvas and you can switch up what you display whenever you want. So there are 2 photos that are very important to problem solved. 2 hand-colored photos, and I need to frame them. 11 by 14, I think, is the right size, but I kind of wanted a simple frame. Without a mat, nope. This is a lot of photo frame options. I've always wanted to get one of these like framed photo and just leave the picture that it comes with in there. I just wish it didn't have like the size on it, but if it was just this random dog, random couple, somebody's like, who is that? That's Bartholomew and Sandra. They got married 6 weeks ago. I'm not finding just like a simple frame. Like this, the frame is a little too ornate. I just want clean white frame, no frills. Oh my goodness, this brings back memories. I had one of these in my room in college. In film school, one of these film strip things was my decor. I think I have it in a box somewhere still. This is exactly what I want, but I want it white border, not black. And I think these are too big. 11 by 17, too big. Oh, this is a float frame. This could be cool. So it just floats in there? Yeah, I might do this. They only make these in black. The dilemmas. Okay, at least I have a good idea of what I need. They just don't have exactly what I'm looking for here. They don't have what I want, so I might need to order it online. But a lot of good options here. This wire can make hanging pictures a bit of a balancing act. Here's a simple picture hanging trick. We're in the hardware section. I'm looking for picture hanging stuff, but all I'm seeing is mailboxes and light switches. Oh my gosh, this is a fidgeter's dream. This is why they would never allow me in the cockpit of an airplane, because I would just want to play with all the buttons. And look at the aisle categories, casters, gates. Oh, fasteners, nuts, and bolts. It's gotta be there. Here we go, nailed it. Just looking for a simple picture hanging kit. Here's the thing, there's so many varieties. Here's my other confession. I know I have one of these picture hanging things at home. I just cannot find it. I looked around and I know I've bought like one of these kits before. I just have no clue where it is, so we're just gonna have to pick up a new one. One of these should be good. And have some options and variety for hanging a bunch of different stuff. I actually have not stopped to pay attention how much amazing wall hanging stuff there is at Lowe's. This helps you level and hang pictures. Ooh, it's a bit pricey for what I thought it would be. I don't know, okay. Picture hanging is the project, so we'll pick it up. I love Lowe's, it's really the best. Especially for larger frames, it can be tricky to guide that wire onto the hook. Head to your utensil drawer and grab a dingle hopper. Let this fork be our guide. I mean, it's super simple. That fork will help guide the wire onto the nail. And if you're using a hook which is wider, I figured I'd try a plastic fork, but remove one of the teeth. And it works great. Now I don't even need to look to hang up the picture. Make sure everything's nice and level. Oh, cutest picture ever. I guess I need one of these in my toolbox now. I want all of this stuff, all this kitchenware. Look at this. It's like Tiffany blue bakeware almost. I want it. I want all of this. I shouldn't have looked at the kitchen section. All this stuff is so cool. What? I want this too. I need it all. Like, who doesn't need this? This enamel little pot. This is great. It's very heavy. Pre-seasoned, ready to use carbon steel skillet. This is kind of nice. I could get behind this. Okay. World Market, I see you and I will be back. Your small bathroom might need some storage upgrades. Here's some clever ideas for your bathroom. Now I have this tiny bathroom and I'm finally tackling adding some storage options. On a mission to do a little redecorating, some decor. This is like my style. Here's another drawer that I really like. This one's cool. Like the texture on the front of this one. It's a little big though. I need a small little cabinet for the bathrooms. And these shelving systems, just to get some decor and some items off the ground and onto the walls. People think, oh, I don't have enough storage. Do you have wall space? You could put up some shelves. You could add some square footage. Take advantage of that wall space and add something like a shelf. And I love this idea of mounting a wire basket to the wall. I also thought this was cool. Floating shelves, no tools required. I would say we gotta check this out. I like this one too. A little whiteboard key hanging thing. You can go the no damage route with some heavy duty command hooks or any other mounting option that works for you. Then I want a couple of these. The decorative command hooks, so perfect for decorating. Oh, they even have garage solutions? What? I could spend all day in the command hook section. Finished with my decorating haul. I think I've got plenty of options. Lowe's, you know, never disappoints. Got everything I need. I'll probably have to make another trip though. I'm sure I'm gonna try find something I missed. Just use some painter's tape and marked where I need to place my hooks. That's my guide there, and that looks about right. Hook, my favorite villain, my favorite Spielberg movie. That's a lie, it's Jurassic Park, but I love Hook as well. And basket goes on. It's pretty nifty. And when counter space is limited or non-existent, something like a small organizer can be attached to the wall too. Oh, and it's on wheels. This could be nice for the bathroom, and it's on wheels, and it has this little electrical caddy thing. That could be really great for the bathroom. Not quite the price point I'm looking for. A little expensive. Like, this is a 3-piece set. This might be too big. Good on pillows, but gosh, these are pillows for days. Got 2 of every kind of pillow you could ever want. It's for an office space, but this is the perfect little thing. Just for a couple rolls of toilet paper, some Kleenex, a few things for the bathroom. This is perfect. I may pick this up. All right, I did find something. And for any floor space, add a cart or small set of drawers. Easy, affordable bathroom upgrades. I think I need this. Believe. There's a whole Ted Lasso section. This is hilarious. A little coach whistle. Oh, must have this. Beyonce Knowles, the book. Work It Girl. I think this is like her life story in a young women's book, but I might need this myself. Oh look, this is a diagram of some dance moves. This is quite a spectacular. Okay. I don't need the Beyonce book. I love a good interactive display. What's this about? You can choose your end knobs for the curtains. Oh, this is very heavy. It's very difficult to rotate. Okay, don't really know what I'm supposed to be doing with this, but this is kind of fun. Is it like a Da Vinci Code kind of puzzle? This is gonna be curtains for you. Here's a quick DIY curtain project. This project takes minutes to put up a curtain. I did want to look at curtains, but all these look too big. Now here's the name of the game too when it comes to curtains. Always measure first. Just kind of wanted simple curtains. All these are kind of fancy. Some sheer, ooh, velvety. Ooh, these feel good. I would love these dark blue curtains that inspire you to just feel them while they hang on the wall. This is nice. This is a great temporary or no damage solution. And I'm just using a lightweight curtain rod. And it never hurts if you can do a few measurements first. I like these decorative hooks that are heavy duty to hold more weight. And see, the colors match. Just was looking at some curtain rod options to create a little curtain partition. There's a lot of choices. Maybe just even a simple tension rod could do. Just want something simple. Well, these are anything but simple. Those are complicated curtains. But I think something like this would work. Or just a regular, easy tension rod. Oh, they have a darker color. I'll go with that. Yeah, I think this is great. Round tension rod. All right, here we go. Their little decor section is nice too here. Make sure those hooks are at the same height, parallel to each other. Clean the surface off like the directions say. First one down. Couldn't be simpler, both hooks are up. Just a little test to make sure everything fits. And I just used a little bit of tape to prevent the rod from extending. This is the perfect cheap trick to create privacy or block out some light. Curtain on. I didn't have time to steam it, but you guys get it. It's a busy day. I haven't been to a Home Goods in forever, and it is a little overwhelming in here. They have so much stuff. And I wanted a little hamper. Not that I should just pick up the first thing I see, but I do like this one. I want a taller basket for a hamper. They don't have the kind of hamper I'm looking for. I guess these are trash cans, but still. I want a hamper with a lid, and I think I want it to be like either white or black. I feel like this would be cool if it had a lid. This is only 50 bucks. Huh, it's kind of big, but that'd be a nice hamper for 50 bucks. Doesn't have the like liner insert, but we could invent something. We could figure something out. Just good storage. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Now, why is he hanging up a random curtain in a random hallway? To practice for open mic night and other such theatrical performances. Now, of course, there's tension rods, but I find this method is a lot easier. Fine, I'll steam it. I forgot that World Market had a grocery section. Oh no, it all looks so good. I want one of everything. Must try it all. Look at these cookies. These cookies look so good. If I didn't go ham on that pancake this morning, I would definitely try some of these Tim Tams. I got to enjoy that pancake, so we're gonna move on from this treat section. No way! Fun flavors of chips. Numb and spicy hot pot flavor. Okay, we have to try these. Roasted garlic oyster flavor. Yes, we're doing this. Squid, they've got squid chips. Look at these super spicy Pringle looking ones. These I think are wasabi. Shrimp chips from Indonesia. Oh, this is really fun. When have you ever had a crispy shrimp cheek from Thailand? Good source of calcium, it says. I guess it has some nutrition in there. This is insane. Wacky chip flavor taste test. We're gonna do it. I just said like no treats. I'm like, no cookies. Okay, 5 bag of chips, sure, let's do that. Hello Kitty and Friends mystery snack box. There's a Naruto one, but something about the Hello Kitty one looks fun. What could a mystery snack be? It's pretty heavy too. This thing is hefty. This looks so good. I love furikake. Okay, gonna try some kombu dashi broth packet and a ton of ramens. I forgot they had so many treats here. This is dangerous. I've been sleeping on World Market. I need to come back more often. Apparently these Kit Kats are made out of recycled Kit Kats. Oh no, the plastic is. What's this one? Cracker? I think it's like wheat cracker flavored Kit Kats. I've never heard of all these. Oh, there's a variety pack. Sea salt classic white peanut butter and hazelnut. I have heard the green tea Kit Kats are really good. They don't have green tea here. Found one more thing. This was a basket that I like. I think it'll suit my needs and it's perfect. So I'm gonna get that too. So not a lot of home decor, just some chips to do my taste test, but this was a fun adventure.